Welcome to this video on finding percentages of amounts. This is the second video on this. If you haven't watched our first video, you can find it on our channel. Let's have a look at some questions together. My first question is find 1% of 300. If you're finding 1% of a number, it's the same as breaking the number up into 100 pieces. So it's the same as dividing the number by 100. So if I want to find 1% of 300, I do 300 divided by 100. The answer is 3. 1% of 300 equals 3. Let's use that principle to answer some other questions. My next question is find 4% of 600. So I'm going to start off by finding 1% of 600, which is 6. I'm now going to scale that up to 4%. 1% times by 4 is 4%. 6 times by 4 is 24. So 4% of 600 equals 24. Let's now put together what we did in the last video with what we're doing in this video. We're going to find 11% of 200. We're going to start off with 10%. 10% of 200 equals 20. We're now going to find 1% of 200, which is 2. If we put 10% together with 1%, we get 11%. So 20 add 2 equals 22. 11% of 200 equals 22. The next question is find 32% of 400. We're going to start off with 10% again. 10% of 400 equals 40. We're going to scale that up to 30%. 10% times by 3 is 30%. So 40 times by 3 is 120. So now we have 30% of 400. We now need to find 2% of 400. We're going to find 1% first. 1% of 400 is 4. And we're going to use that to scale up to 2%. 1% times by 2 is 2%. 4 times 2 is 8. If we put 30% together with 2%, we get 32%. 120 add 8 is 128. So 32% of 400 is 128. Our final question is find 73% of 400. Once again, I'm going to start off with 10%. 10% of 400 is 40. I'm going to scale that up to 70% by timesing it by 7. I'll do the same to 40. So 70% of 400 is 280. Now I'm going to find 1%. 1% of 400 is 4. I'm going to scale that up to 3%. So 4 times 3 is 12. If we put 70% together with 3%, we get 73%. So we need to add 280 and 12. The answer is 292. Thank you for watching this video on finding percentages of amounts. To watch other videos on this, have a look on our channel, and you can find links to more resources in the description below.